we like to drink on this channel. Well, not, but you know, we like to drink. My necklace always gets tangled, guys. Wow. Wow.
Hey now, get on the floor and do your dance now. No need to wait on good, so play now. You should know you with a leader. Go
Channel, if you're new, you are so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I did post up on my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I'd like you to do a quick favor for me, hit that subscribe button and also click on that bell notification so you get notified every time I drop some new videos. So today I decided to try pink out. Pink is initially my favorite color, so I decided to try a pink makeup tutorial. It's a pink Saturday feels. So if you guys would like to know how I actually achieved this look, I hope you guys keep watching. And we are gonna go in with our all-time favorite. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Rewind. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and we're just going to prime our lids. With this particular eyeshadow color that I'm using, I don't necessarily like using this eyeshadow primer because I feel like it just leaves off a very like bad residue, and it is very hot these days. I don't know how people like manage to put on makeup in this heat. I love makeup. I went to an event without makeup on, guys. That's when I knew that, you know what, it's possible. With a powder, and the powder we're gonna go in with is our Fenty Beauty eyeshadow face powder. This is the translucent baking powder. I don't even know the difference. Just gonna set that over the eyelid, because really just with a normal eyeshadow, if I just put on the brand I'm using for my face, for my eyes, the look I'm trying to create will just like disappear in thin air. So what's been happening? I feel like I've been gone for like forever, and I've just like, I haven't posted like in a while. The last video I posted was the group video with the guys. I'm going with my James Charles palette, the Morphe James Charles palette. So we are going to go in with this purple shade as our transition color, and these are pressed pigments. I don't know what I'm thinking, but let's go.
Right now, girl, I kinda want you dog. Got and I'ma give you all my love, and I'ma give you all my time. Girl, you the only one that I need in my life right now. Always dreaming about you, only happy when I'm with you. Girl, let them say what they wanna say, I won't be bothered now. Shawty.
So we're gonna try cut that crease, honey, and we're going in with our Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. Wow, I can't remember when last I cut a crease. I haven't put on makeup in a very long time though. Like lately, I only put it on like on Sundays. I normally do like weekends a lot. Even if I'm not going anywhere, my face will be beat. But lately I'm preferring my skin without makeup than with makeup. I honestly just don't know why, but it's just the vibe for me right now. I just feel like that's the best way I can like express myself these days without makeup on. It's just like it's easier to move in this heat. I don't know how people be going out with the full face beat in this heat. Sis, please, if you're out there with the full face beat in this heat, please hit me up. I've got my Instagram account, all my handles are there. Hit me up, give me tips, because I can't. Like, I really just can't. I have tried, guys. I have failed. These girls be giving you full contour vibes, and you're just like, okay, honey, I see you too. Cause I'm just on here like talking. I just haven't like seen. Okay, sis, what you doing? Okay, so now we're going to go in with another pressed pigment, and we're going in with this pink shade over here. This one. I'm going to press that over my concealer. One thing I really get annoyed about myself is whenever I create a look like this, like when I do it on my channel, if I try redo it like outside, like for an event, or you know, just out here trying to look cute, it will never turn out the way it turned out on my channel. I don't know if that ever happens to you guys, like content creators. Let me know, because I can't be alone in this struggle, for real. I just have FOMO of just like staying in the house, like just being outside. Like I just want to be outside with people. I just don't want to be on my own, you know? It's summer, guys. It's summer. Alright, pinky pinky. Just gonna blend these two out. So I'm just gonna blend these two shades together now so that they kind of, you know, conjoin. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be out here looking cute and snatched. It's summer, baby, as my friend Lantia would say. Do it, baby. I miss that girl. I miss her a lot. Okay, one thing I hate about these pressed pigment colors in this palette is you have to like, the color like fades off a little bit, so you just have to like keep patting and patting and patting. And that's annoying because I don't like patting and patting and patting. What? Okay, I think this is enough padding.
right now.
So I'll be using my Milk Makeup Kush mascara. And I will just be putting a bit of mascara under my eyes. Just a little bit. Just to emphasize the little lashes that I have left because everything's gone. So for foundation, we're going in with our Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade Mocha. This is a bit lighter than my normal usual skin tone, but oh, today it works. I'll be using a damp beauty blender to
right now, girl.
So I feel I need to mix this foundation. So I'm gonna mix it with my Juvia's Place in the shade Angola. You guys can automatically, I think, see the difference. This is more yellow tone, and this is more like my red neutral.
What you done, got and I'ma give you all my love, and I'ma give you all my time. Girl, you the only one that I need in my life right now. Always dreaming about you, only happy when I'm with you. Girl, let them say what they wanna say, I won't be bothered now. Shawty, wanna put a ring on you. Yeah.
Beauty concealer in the shade 430. Yeah, this is better.
Right now, girl, I kinda want you done, got and I'ma give you all my love, and I'ma give you all my time. Girl, you the only one that I need in my life right now. Always dreaming about you. Only
set my face. So to set my face, I'm going back in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Nutmeg.
Happy when I'm with you, girl. Let them say what they wanna say, I won't be bothered now. Shawty, wanna put a ring on you. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the pinky bottom because it's all gone. rewind. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Matte Finish setting spray. Maybe take. So for today's colors, we're going in with something very, very dramatic and crazy. We're going in with my NYX Candy Stick lip gloss. I think I have said it on this channel before that this lip gloss melts down, like as you wear it throughout the day, it literally like melts into your skin and it ends up looking like you put on like a nude lipstick. It just tones down, the shade tones down. That's the right word I'm trying to use. It tones down. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is unattached. I only used this once actually since I bought it. I only used it once. So today let's bring it how to close it. And we're gonna put it in the center. You know what? How did I just do a full lip with it? Oop. So now for highlighter, we're going still back in with the contour palette from Black Radiance Beauty, and we're just gonna highlight a little bit. I literally just don't want too much highlighter. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Something plain, something simple, just pink eye makeup. I don't normally go for like bold colors because I get scared because, you know, I'm the center of attention. And today I decided to try it. So this is the final look. Let me know what your thoughts are and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. I hope you guys actually like my new pink backdrop. Like, it's just bringing, oh my god, my makeup looks so cool. It's bringing so much life to the family, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button. Very, very, very important. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to spread the love. Goodbye.